Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're installing Chatterbox Extended. With just 5 to 10 seconds of reference audio, you can generate most realistic speech from text of any length. Listen to this, the reference audio. In quiet skies the dawn takes flight, turning shadows into light. And listen to result. 3 rings for the elven kings under the sky, 7 for the dwarves. Very hard to tell which was original. Not only that, you can change speech of any audio file with accent. Listen to this audio file. In quiet skies the dawn takes flight. And this is what I want it to sound like.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well.
And result of it.
In quiet skies the dawn takes flight, turning.
No matter in what language voices this will change voice, you can use it for songs in your voice. Even this can turn text to speech voice to sound like you. And it only need 3 gigabits graphic card. In this video I will show you step by step how to install Chatterbox Extended. So watch video till end and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, let's get started. How to install Chatterbox Extended. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of Chatterbox Extended. To install this locally you need at least 3 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11 only. FFmpeg Visual Studio Git for Windows. I have made a playlist. You can follow instructions and install these dependencies. Once you're ready, on main page click on code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to have this installed and type cmd in folder path. This will open a new command prompt window. Type git clone and paste Git code you copied. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now upgrade setup tools. Copy pip upgrade code from command window, and again paste in command window to upgrade pip. Now install PyTorch, but first make sure you got CUDA Toolkit installed and what version it is. To install PyTorch, go to main page of PyTorch and copy version matching your CUDA Toolkit. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change CUDA version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Remove last 3 lines and save requirements file. Now run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, install Setup Tools wheel again. Now install NumPy and LTK, translate to 1 by 1 with version you see. Now run main code. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch Chatterbox Extended. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click this run file and use Chatterbox Extended anytime. To use it, type text you want to convert to speech. You can upload a whole notebook. Upload reference audio.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to
Click
wish you...
Generate.
Three rings for the elven kings under the sky, 7 for the dwarf lords in their halls of stone, 9 for mortal men doomed to die, 1
For voice conversation, upload both source audio and reference audio.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well.
In quiet skies the dawn takes flight. Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. Download links are in the description. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.